I must have it. A need versus a want. I am sure you all are wondering what this could be. We will learn what our wants needs and what our wants with the help of a short story and then a few activities. The story that I am about to tell you is about a boy named Baichung, his parents, and his need, or should we call it a want, for a new bicycle. Let's see how the story revolves. It was a one-day morning. Baichung came to his father and he said, "Papa, the cycle that I have is really old. I don't want to ride on this old bicycle every day to school. Please buy me a new bicycle." His father replied, "I hope you understand, Baichung. We really want to buy you a new cycle, but we can't do it immediately. There are many more important needs that have to be taken care of first." Baichung was immediately upset. He looked a little angry. "But this is also important, Dad. I need a new cycle desperately. I really do." And he stormed off from his room. He went to his room, took his school bag, collected his bicycle from the garage, and started riding towards the school. While he was riding towards the school, he saw a cycle shop, and on the display was the new model of the bicycle that he has always dreamt of. He thought to himself, "I wish I had that bicycle. If I did, I could race like the wind to school." And then he suddenly realized that he was very rude to his father, and he felt very sorry for that. After his school was over, he was riding back home. While he was riding back, he stopped by the stream on the way to his house, sat there thinking to himself, "I can't keep using this bicycle. After all, it's not like I'm demanding the moon," he thought to himself. When he was sitting by the stream, one of his friends came by. Baichung said, "Hello, Aman. How are you?" Aman said, "Hey, I'm good, thank you." And then Baichung took his cycle and he started cycling towards his house. He suddenly looked back and saw that his friend Aman was walking home. When he got home that afternoon, Baichung was very quiet. He did not feel like talking. And his mother, while she was serving dinner, she thought to herself, "Baichung seems very upset today." Both his mother and father noticed that he has not eaten a lot of food. Baichung said, "I'm not too hungry," and he walked away to his room. Discuss why Baichung was quiet for the rest of the evening. The next morning, when Baichung was on his way to school, he met his friend Aman. He told Aman, "Aman, why don't we meet and ride to school together every day from now on?" Aman said, "But I don't have a bicycle. I've always wanted one too." And in the evening, when Baichung came back home, he was surprised. His mother said, "Baichung, check in your room. Your dad has kept something for you." Baichung was very excited and then he checked. He opened the box and then he saw there was a sandpaper, paint, a paintbrush, and a water bottle holder for his bicycle. His mother came into the room and replied, "Until we can buy you a new bicycle, Baichung." Baichung replied, "Please tell Dad that there is no rush. I am sorry, I shouldn't have insisted." Baichung was very upset earlier because he could not buy a new bicycle. But now he does not seem so upset. Why is it so? Discuss. Now that we have learned through the story about wants and needs and discussed the two scenarios that Baichung faced, let's always remember a need is something we require to live a healthy and a balanced life, and a want is not an essential. All of us have different wants, and we have to make responsible choices. Another important thing for us to remember is someone's needs may be another person's wants. Given below are a few situations. Read the following situations. Decide, are these needs or wants? Write down if it is a need or a want for each situation. Situation number 1. A boy is delivering newspapers every morning on foot. That means he is walking around from block to block delivering newspapers. He asks his employer for a new cycle. Is this a need or is this a want? Please write your answer. Second scenario. Ram is tying his shoes and he is upset that his mom won't buy him new shoes because the old ones still fit him well. Is this a need or is this a want? Third scenario. Ritika has been invited to a birthday party and she's asking her mother for a new dress to attend that party. Fourth scenario. Saket bought a new school bag and he insisted that his parents buy him a bag with his favorite superhero logo on it. Once you're done with this exercise, this activity, we will move on to the next activity. Given below are 3 situations. After reading each of the scenarios, you will have to think, do we really need it? You will have to discuss with your family members or with your classmates, or write down your thoughts on these situations. Situation 1. Shaina has returned home from her friend's house and she's demanding from her parents that they get a pet at home because her friend Rashmi has a pet at home. Situation 2. Samat is upset because his parents refuse to buy him a cell phone because they think he does not need one and he can use their phones to call his friends. Number 3. Anant has been insisting his father to buy a car because all his friends' fathers have cars at home.